Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Money Warrior. So as I showed you in the previous video, I showed you exactly how I'm able to make well over $300-400 every single couple of days, if with pretty much free methods. So as I promised, I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step process that you need to take. So what you need to kind of think about is what kind of marketplace you want to get your affiliate products from. So there's three sources that I like to use. So the first one is ClickBank. So why do I like to use ClickBank? Because when you go into ClickBank, I know you probably heard a lot about ClickBank before. You already know what ClickBank is and you know what kind of products you can get from there. So if I go on to, just go back onto here, press back, and I'll show you. So if I go into marketplace here for ClickBank, you have to think about what's an evergreen niche. So evergreen basically means something that people are always going to be needing. So people are always going to be needing, things like such as health, fitness, and email marketing or business online. But right now, people are really focused on the health and, kind of like email marketing and how to make money online. So what I like to do is I like to go into products that have actually helped me to make money online. But what you can do is you can use methods or products that have already been tried and tested that help people to make money online, and you can promote these. So unlike what I showed you with Warrior Plus, where I make most of my money, when you were starting off, you're not going to be able to get approved to basically market some of those products because you don't have any sort of like proven record behind you. So what you want to do is you want to click on something like this. Now I know it's a little bit like of a high gravity, people might say there's a lot of competition, but trust me, this method works good. So once you click on this particular product, you can research it and everything, but what you're going to do is once you sign up to ClickBank, you can click to promote this, and then I like to just use the default landing page. So you're going to put your details in here. Once you get that, you can earn 5% commission. The average sale for this you're going to get is around maybe 222 in terms of commission. But the way that this method actually works is because what a lot of people are doing is a mistake is that they're targeting like specific things such as this. So you can see the specific things I'm targeting here. I don't mind because I'm targeting these because these are products that we're launching at that particular time, so I can get traffic from that. However, after that, the traffic kind of dies down and you need to focus on something what's called evergreen. So evergreen videos are videos such as this that I created on one of my other channels, and these pull me views in every single day because these videos are videos that people are always going to be searching for. So that means people are always going to be searching on how to make money online. They're always going to be searching on how to start their max bounty, which is basically an affiliate platform. They're always going to be searching for things like Coinbase and all that kind of thing. So when you do something like that, that's going to keep pulling you in views and numbers, and then you can include your affiliate links under the descriptions of your videos, and you can start getting sales for pretty much forever because these videos remain for pretty much ever. YouTube servers are crazy good, and that's what you can do. But once you've done that, you can start moving on to the next process, which is basically looking for the big commissions, which is going for products that you can get on Munchai, so which are high ticket products. But all of this I teach in my free training that's linked down below, so that you can access that and then you can see how I pretty much make my money online. I go a little bit more in depth. So on YouTube I don't quite go into too much in depth because people want like short, concise information. But if you want that in-depth information and exact steps, click on that link down below in the description and you get my free training today. See ya.